Bandura Kamonachu, quick tutorial for today. If you are not yet monetized, and this video is for you. Guys, if you receive notification from Facebook like this, nice job, your reel reach 100 play. You can watch again or make a new reel. So pay attention on that if you receive on your notification or look at you got hit pin reaction on your reels. Create another one. Guys, if you receive notification from like this, please pay attention and make sure you have already videos that you can upload at the same time if you receive notification like this. So guys, I'll give you example. Okay, look at this video. So this video of our brother, he is uploading randomly video for the nature view. Okay, so upon checking guys, check the video like 20 views, 40 views, 50 views. So it's not good if you are always uploading without checking. Of course, we are doing engagement is a must. But make sure guys, before you upload to the next video, at least you receive this kind of notification. You know why? Because if you follow the Facebook, what they are telling, Facebook will suggest your video to anyone. And of course, make sure that your video is informative, entertainment, so that if I see or someone see your video, they will like, and of course, if they like your video, and they will follow you. So, that's what we need guys, informative, entertaining video. And of course, we can gain more followers, same like this, you can gain more followers, and we can gain organic people that always watching us because they like our content. So our brother, he is uploading videos which is nature view. Yeah, it's very beautiful. And make sure guys, as you can see my picture, that you can put thumbnail. So thumbnail also is very important to, before you upload the video, make sure just put thumbnail. So what is in your video? For example, haircut satisfaction. So if someone saw this video and they are notice what is in there, and if they are checking on that because your thumbnail is beautiful or your thumbnail is interesting. So before they are watching the video, they can see the thumbnail that your video is interesting. So one of the reason why other people they are viral and they are gaining a lot of views because of the thumbnail. So make sure that we have thumbnail also in our video. Okay, in the next video I will make tutorial how to create thumbnail in our video. Okay, just noted on that. And then guys, so our brother also, upon checking his video, there is no thumbnail. So the thumbnail is very important. So we need to create quality video so that everybody watching in our content. So, and guys, if you are always uploading videos every 1 hour, for example, every 1 hour you are uploading videos without checking the views. So guys, we need to pay attention also. Sometimes we will get a shadow ban. So what is shadow ban? Shadow ban can be frustrating, and shadow ban means that your content is not visible to other or has been restricted without any explicit notification from the platform. Here are some possible reasons why your video not be visible or suggested by algorithm. So one of the example is poor video quality. So it means our video is not good quality, or sometimes tag, metadata, double check your video's tag, title or description is not accuracy. So we need to be careful and check on that. So that's the possible reason why our video is not visible to other people. So I hope guys it's very clear to you that you know we need to, with the notification of Meta, if they are sending us notification like look at you go, you hit 10 reaction on your reels, create another one. So if you receive this kind of notification, at least you have already picture or text post or video that already ready that you will be upload on the same time. Okay, or nice job, your reels reaction 100 plays, you can watch it again or make new reels. I already have a tutorial about this, and I'm already make new videos about this because guys, we need to be monetized. So in order to monetize, of course, we need at least have a viral video or viral picture, viral text post, at least we have, so that they have possibility that Meta will invite us in content monetization if you are not yet invited. So this is very helpful to us. So it's not only like you just upload the video and then after that you just upload the next one. And then your video is not at least 100 views. So we need to pay attention on this. And it's not good that our video is below 100 all. So what's wrong? What happened? I'm still engaging to all my people. I'm engaging to everybody. But why my videos only 40 views, 30 views, 50 views is not accurate? And of course, these people also are coming to you and they are engaging, guys, because you are not following as per Facebook what they are telling, or as per Facebook. Facebook tell you do this one, create new one, okay? Just follow, because if you follow what Facebook say, believe me guys, your videos, your text post, your picture post will suggest by Facebook to everybody. So guys, I hope it's very clear to you, and if you like my video, please don't forget to follow, like, and share. Thank you so much and have a nice day.